Hello my friends, this is Alison here and I just wanted to shoot this very quick video to share with you 3 myths about launching a course that I think are not necessarily true, and some of these may surprise you. The first myth when it comes to building your online course, your first course, is that you have to have all the tech, you have to have all the videos done, you have to pre-record everything, you have to build out all the content and have all the content in place before you actually go out and market it. The truth is, that's not true. That's not true, because what you have to do first is you have to market it to see if there's a market for it. So all the knowledge that you have, don't waste your time putting it into videos. Don't waste your time putting it into any kind of documentation at all until you have run it live. Always run it live first. And once you've run it live and you've got it in front of your audience, then you know it's going to work. Then you know people want it, and then you know then that it's something to start to scale. But people waste so much time on trying to launch an entire suite of a course that they've spent hours, days, weeks building, and it's crazy, absolutely crazy. So that's the first myth that people think that isn't true. The second myth is all around giving yourself enough of a runway before you launch your course. Whereas you think, I'll launch it and people will come, the truth of the matter is you need to allow yourself that runway to give it some opportunity, to give it a chance to take off. Think of it like an airplane taking off from the airport. If an airplane cannot take off on a very, very short runway, it needs that space, it needs that time. And so the more time you allow yourself, and by building up your course over a period of time, you'll realize how much time it needs. By giving it that time and that runway to market it, to let people know, to have an open cart, a closed cart, you're going to have more opportunity, and you're going to increase your opportunity to sell more spaces on your course. Which brings me on to myth number 3. And myth number 3 is all about, realistically, how well do you know your audience? Because I want to challenge you, even though you think you know who they are, I bet there's more about your audience that you don't know. And what do I mean by that? What I mean is, we're all in business because we're solving problems for other people or for people in business. I want you just to think about, what is the number one problem that you solve for your clients? What is that number one problem that you solve? Why are they having that problem? What do they think about that problem? And how are they trying to fix it right now? If you can dive deeper and do some more research and really understand the psychology behind why these people are having that problem, that's going to give you a huge advantage when it comes to marketing and selling your course. So like I say, when I say about, do you really understand who your audience is? Do you really understand your avatar? I would seriously think about going back and doing more research, because I see so many people fall over at this point because they think they know who they're serving, and actually the truth is that they really don't. So I would seriously encourage you to go back, do your research on your avatar, and it will uncover more information that will allow you and give you the knowledge and the feedback that will help you market and reach the pain points that these people are having, that you're actually solving with your course. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you've got any questions. I'd be happy to help.